Everybody, happy Friday. It's 12:23 here in Arizona. Thought I'd come back with a quick little recipe of something that I'm going to make. This is called FIDEO, right there. And this little pack of noodles costs me like 49 cents in the Hispanic section at the grocery store. And what it's almost like a soupy noodle, almost like a rice type flavor, like Mexican rice, but with a kind of a spaghetti type of a noodle. So I'm going to be frying that up, and I'm frying that in my grapeseed oil. Again, the grapeseed oil that I use, sorry, I'm going to do a little moving around here, is this one, grapeseed, best oil to fry in. I only use that in olive oil as far as frying oils, but since I'm going to be frying this a little bit in a higher temperature, you want to use your grapeseed oil. I'm going to be putting fresh tomato, and I've got garlic right there. I'm going to be using a can of tomato sauce, some bouillon. If you're looking for the most delicious base that is vegan, this brand right here is the bomb. Okay, this is all vegan. So when you want to use bouillon, you don't have to necessarily buy the big canisters of vegetable broth or anything like that, or chicken or beef. You can always try this brand, and it's wonderful. You keep it in the refrigerator and you just scoop out a little of it. It's like a solid base, and you just put it in with water, and it makes all your food taste really delicious, especially soups and stews. So anyways, I'm going to fry that right now. Once I get that a little crispy, I'll be throwing that in there. I'm ad-libbing here, you guys. Then I'm going to put some of this, that, and I'm going to come back with the finished product. This is wonderful, and it's something kind of easy to make. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing here on Friday. I'd show you what I look like right now, but I haven't gotten my shower yet. So, all right, everyone, this is FIDEO. So right here you can kind of see that I'm frying them, and they're getting kind of crispy, almost like you would make Mexican rice. You also fry your rice when you make Mexican rice. So I'm going to fry that a little bit, add all of this stuff in some water, and I'll be back. I've added the garlic and the tomatoes, and there it is, frying a little bit more, and then I'm going to add my water and bouillon and seasonings. But oh my gosh, it smells so good right now with the tomatoes and the garlic going. Yummy. All right, I'm going to pour my water in, and I only use bottled water when I cook. I don't care if I'm making a pot of beans. Guess what? Either I boil the tap water before I put my food in it. But that's it. I'm going to put that in there. I'm improvising, you guys, here. Just had a urge to make a video. Then I'm going to pour my tomato sauce in there. And I always buy organic. This is probably like 25 cents more than the regular stuff. Buy organic if you can. If you have a little bit of extra money and you care about your health, try it. People say they don't see a difference. I totally taste the difference, and it just makes me feel good. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I wanted to come back with the bouillon, or the whatever you want to call that. And here's the consistency of it right here. So I just take about like a spoonful like that, put it in there, and it'll melt in there, and it's basically bouillon. Like I said, it's vegan, vegetarian, whatever you want. There it is there. I love it. It's very rich in flavor, and it is available in vegetable, chicken, beef, and I believe turkey. But anyways, these are wonderful. You can find them in any grocery store, and if you want to buy, I think, a larger jar, you can find it at Costco. All right, I've got that boiling right there, and the only thing that I didn't have to put in it was onions. I don't know why I don't buy onions like I used to. But there you go, and when it's done, I'll come back with the last couple clips. And you're going to simmer this on a low temperature, like as if you were cooking rice. And that's about it, everyone. There it is, done. You can see how the noodles have soaked up the water. And it's almost like spaghetti noodles. They are cut real small. If you want to do, you could add chicken, shrimp, anything your family likes. If you're vegan, vegetarian, you could add beans, anything you like that. There's a bowl of it right there. Alright, you guys, my grandma used to make this and she was straight from Mexico, and this is how I learned how to make this. Everybody have a blessed weekend. Alright, please like and subscribe. Thank you, everyone. Bye.